show in Singapore is a grand celebration for welcoming the new year. Merlion Park and Marina Bay are the most popular spot to watch the dazzling fireworks display. People from all over the world gather in Singapore to enjoy the event. The fireworks light up the night sky with vibrant colors and patterns. It is a tradition to count down the last seconds of the year before the fireworks start. The show often features synchronized music to enhance the experience. Many families bring picnic mats to sit and watch the fireworks comfortably. The reflection of the fireworks on Marina Bay adds to the magical atmosphere. Singapore's skyline becomes even more stunning during the fireworks display. The event symbolizes new beginnings and hopes for the coming year. People cheer and clap as the fireworks burst into beautiful shapes. It's a perfect moment for taking photos and videos to capture memories. The fireworks show is free for everyone to enjoy. Special zones are set up for better viewing and crowd management. Public transport operates late to accommodate the large crowd after the event. Food stalls and street performances often add to the festive vibe. Many people make New Year's resolutions while watching the fireworks. The fireworks show typically lasts for several minutes of non-stop excitement. It is a time for friends and families to come together and celebrate. Singapore's New Year fireworks display is a spectacular start to the year.
Happy New Year!